How to create highlights on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a highlights on Facebook. So first, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select this profile icon from the top right corner right under the messenger icon and simply select your profile name just like this, which will take you to profile page. So once you're inside your profile page, you can simply tap on this three dot icon right next to edit profile button over here, and once you click on it, just select archive button and then select story archive. Since we want to add a highlight of the particular story, so just click on this particular story just like this. So once you're inside here, you can simply click on this highlight button right at the bottom right corner and simply select new, and always make sure that your highlights are set to public or friends based on your choice, and you can also always change it from over here as well. So since I want to create a new highlight, I will simply give it a new title just like this, and once I'm satisfied, we can simply save it, and just like that your photo will be added or your story will be added to your highlights under your profile page, as you can see right next to this motivational page over here. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.